lang ito, pero alam ko,
Botany.
sobrang talino.
Plants, yeah.
Ako na! Sige lang, check ko.
Biology, animal.
Zoology.
Study of animals.
Study of animals. Biology.
Ang
Zoo.
Biology, I remember that bio is life. Ano
So,
dyan?
biology is study of.
Life.
Zoology is study of.
Ah,
Zoology.
Animals.
Very good.
pag may zoo.
Botany.
Butangin na.
Plants.
Ano ba? Tiki. Sekreto lagi kini si
Bright.
Bright.
Hindi. Ano na
Ay,
siya?
feel ko rin. Ay, ano pala? Ay, noon na pala na-realize ko, Bright siya.
Ano pa ba?
yung dati pa?
Dati pala.
Ichnymology.
Biophysics.
Biophysics.
Good luck, nuclear physics.
Na!
Good
My
luck
God,
to you.
good luck sa brain mo sa
Ano yan?
nuclear
Ano yan?
physics.
Nuclear physics.
Yung parang super
First
deep na
lesson I had in
talaga.
my class, I just... Oh my God.
Tapos karamihan
I
rin
am
math.
so dead. Nah.
Ichnymology.
Wait.
Study of relationships.
Forgot.
Study of fish.
Oh.
Anong nuclear physics?
Like, there's a simple, like, last year in physics
Hindi
we
yan,
had...
cosine. Pizza pa.
It's like... That's a
Ay, try
simple
ko
thing.
pala yun, try ko.
It's not formula anymore. It's like cause and effect.
Ayoko yung velocity sa physics.
Nah, that's easy. That's the easy
lang
part.
yun.
Nuclear physics, nah. Like this
Mag-nuclear
material
bomb talaga
will
utak mo sa
this
kakaisip.
nuclear material will decompose at a rate of 10 times no, was it 6 times 10 to the power of 23 seconds or something like that. And it's a long time. Nah. Good luck to you, sir, trying to learn nuclear
Feeling
physics.
na at college.
I just
Chemistry.
chemistry.
Study of.
Study of chem. Formula. Experimental. Experiment.
Other?
Formula.
Materials. I don't know. Huh?
Ay. Hindi ko alam yun.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Kaya nagtanong ako
I don't know either. But I was good at chemistry. I remember
Alam
that.
nyo, ano, yung bless nyo sa
Like
pag mag-study.
alkanes,
Kumabret lang ko,
alkenes.
maminaw ko, tagaan ako, ang chance akong kagalingon na kung mag-study ko, mabright ko, pero mas dagan akong ano, na
Is Kisses still in the confession room?
sira. Maybe.
Are we-
Tapos bintot-bintot.
Did we have another mission that we wasn't aware of?
Ha? Eh, ba't
Did we have another mission?
sa
Because that's the only time I've ever been there that long.
pag-exam, seryoso ako. Pero may cellphone ako.
Seryosong pag-cheat.
Have you ever cheated during a test?
Oh,
Yeah.
always.
But not unlike periodical.
Na periodical.
Not quarterly.
Yeah, no, I don't. I've never.
I never cheat.
I'm too scared.
Hindi ako mag-cheat.
Sa
Basta sa
materials,
yung mga malalaking subject.
Mag-cheat ako sa math lang talaga. Then other subjects, wala na.
Yung balik
Only-
mag-cheat ako sa yung mga language, yung Spanish. Kami-
Spanish. Kasi sa akin kasi para sa part ko Spanish kasi madali lang kasi nga yung Zamboanga.
Buti na lang matanda yung ano namin. Kasi kapag hindi, kasi nasa harapan ko na talaga siya. Ay, pinatalikod kami, nasa likod ako. Tapos pinatalikod yung, ginanon yung chair namin. Lahat talaga kami ganun chair. Tapos nandun siya. Tapos sabi niya, papunta na yung teacher.
Okay. In our school, if you cheat and you get caught, you're dead.
Nakita ka niya.
Wala ka kalabas na tigwang siya. As in,
However, isn't that so frustrating?
ito siya ni Tanaw.
Isn't it just so frustrating?
Pero dilis na sure kung makita
When you
daw,
just
ano,
crush it and get it, put it in a cup,
wala, ikulbak or
and you can use the other side of the spoon.
Pero islit na to siya na ano.
No, if you put it in a cup.
Yeah, but what?
Too much work.
It's challenging.
Sa makikita natin yung
Challenging.
ang PBB sa labas, may second floor.
Di ba? Ewan ka na sa. parang bahay pa rin. Kung may second floor man, parang ganun pa rin ang mangyayari. Ano, bumalong. Mas maganda ito eh, kasi parang nakikita natin yung isa't isa. Kasi kung may second floor, ano yung nangyayari ito?
Saan naman sila doon sa taas? Siguro din nila ako ng daming kamera. Ano kaya ang isang ganyan?
Camera lahat. Wait.
Kung tayo ulit spider yun, ang dami ng spider. Sa gabi lang
Sabi
sila.
ba?
Wow, lizard. And no, I'm not talking about my Eliza and the Edward. I'm talking about lizard.
Puro sad.
Natimate ako, oh. Kiki. Ano?
My word.
Hindi na dito.
No, there's no good name for Liza and Edward. Lizard. This word. It's
Lizard. Lizard. Liza and Edward.
Oh yeah, Liza and Edward. Lizard.
This word would be good, but people are just
May
gonna say
hike, okay
lizard.
lang.
Enridale.
Ayaw naman mag-ano eh.
Enridale.
Gabi ko.
Marbury.
Marbury best.
Yeah.
Best.
Because it
Guys,
could
kailangan
happen.
mo na- gusto ko ano.
Something about that.
Maling bata.
Luto na yung kanin.
Tunay. Sabi, bata ngi.
Yes, yes, wala pa.
Sige.
Yok!
Ay, naunsa naman niya akong uy, puro outside work. Parang yung nasa Attack on Titans. Hindi nila alam kung ano nangyayari. Kung ano yung behind the walls. Sobrang
Parang may ano,
ganda.
parang
Ito,
Maze
by the way,
Runner.
100 years na ang nakaraan. May malaking walls, as in sobrang malaki. Nandito yung town. Tapos may tatlong best friend. Ano ba talagang meron dyan? Anong story dyan? Ang story pala, may mga giant na kumakain ng tao. Yung mga pangit, sila as in. Mga monster. Tapos, morning town. Morning wall. Monster.
hala, sino
Tapos-
gumagamit ng feather earring ni Ate Maria? Tanggal to.
Yeah. Tsada, kinata kong Titans do.
Thanks.
Ang
Sorry,
part
wala.
1, as in thrilling kayo.
Young, yes. Looking out for Maria.
Tapos sinabi nila, baka may ano dyan, may mga, ano yun? Waves? Baka makikita yung dagat. Kasi wala ng dagat, di sila ay, kulong sila doon, 100 years na. Hanggang sa, ay na-curious kasi.
Guys, you wanna go inside?
Pangit, yung mga naong doon, ha?
You wanna go inside?
Anang baba, abrir tos to
Abrir.
dili.
Tapos, hubo sila tanan, pero wala sila eh. Mas, mailan mo ang giant kay walay meat o walay, as in, blanco, pero, naay tao na pwede siya mo giant, pwede siya magamay. Oh, no.
May bida.
Ha?
Bida.
Diyan na siya.
Tokyo Ghoul, guys, panoorin nyo, promise.
Ha?
Tokyo Ghoul.
Yun yung
GHOUL.
luto-luto? Ay, hindi.
Nasa, parang ganun,
Ah.
kasi nasa cafe sila. Tapos gumagawa sila ng coffee, tapos...
Tinapay pala yun. Yung nakita ko
Ay,
na.
hindi, coffee yun.
Na, na,
Can I find out that the truth? Can I see the reason why?
Screaming, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ooh,
yeah.
I don't think I'm wrong.
Wanna do what you do, wanna do what you do. Gonna see
Wanna do it, what? Wanna do
Screaming,
it.
yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Screaming, yeah, yeah. minutes pa?
Hindi na, wala na yan.
4
Okay na.
minutes na siya, na-keep work.
Mm.
Hindi, ilagay mo lang sa taas. Yung kanin. Ay, back room mo na lang.
Ay, init. You.
Nice, Eduardo.
Gusto ko yung horse.
Ish,
Gusto ko
sakit.
matuto.
Horse ba?
Gusto mo rin maging horseback rider.
Yeah. Kasi, di ba noon, di naman ikaw makaka-afford ng horse kahit gusto mo. Ngayon, parang
Pumatot.
dun sa Tagaytay, parang practice. Sarap maging...
Tagaytay ba yun?
Sarap maging...
Saan yun natin, Maya? Saan? Tagaytay.
Yung mga...
Tagaytay, pinunta natin.
Ang gusto ko sa lalaki, kung mag-perform, like just...
Oo, magani, oo.
Gusto ko yung...
Siguro. Ano na siguro yung kanta ni Aisan, no?
Oh, yan!
Di, May. Ano na siguro yung kanta ni Aisan? Siguro ano na yung kanta.
I can't shake the feeling that a lot of us are gonna be big.
We're going
Like,
boom.
I think heaven's gonna get bigger. My mind's gonna be big. Byron's gonna be big. Aizan.
Edward, grabe! Edward, may actor ba?
Mark is gonna be model or an actor. Or
Good
dancer.
actor.
dancer.
Me talaga si Edward actor.
Yeah, Edward.
Yeah, Edward. Drama actor. And singer, char.
And also comedy.
Yeah, comedy.
Yeah, no, stand-up's not my. I
Ano
don't
na may
know.
comedy?
Yeah.
Comedy.
No, I think my like she doesn't have the jokes like
Yeah.
Norman does. But
Yeah.
but you have the funny personality though. It's just even when you're talking seriously, ano kuya?
No. Hindi marunong nila akong serious. Oy, pero hindi ko alam kung paano.
Tawahan niyo, di mo.
Pero minsan tinatry ko talaga yung cellphone na
Wag! Go!
Sis, kain na!
formal. Diba, kahit pagalitan tayo,
Gusto ko yung time.
Hindi ako sige, Brian, siya ba? Pag siya yung interview, gusto ko mag-one ng interview.
Na.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Bago matulog.
Ha?
Bago matulog.
Gusto ko yung
Hindi, bukas.
Gusto ko maranasan yung
We said
pinakamahirap
bukas.
na question na galing
We
sa
said
kanya.
bukas.
At
Today
gusto
said-
kong malampasan yun.
No, bago matulog, before we go into the bed.
Di ba yung,
Like
di ba,
Marco always.
di ba may
Okay.
bottom line noon
20 push-ups.
na
Yeah.
umalis ka lang kung hindi mo na